This video will show you how to install the CI tools. To start, open up your browser and go to myCI, myci.centralinnovation.com. Once you get to the login screen, enter your email address and password and click Sign In. Once myCI loads, head to the CI Tools section, then choose Get CI Tools and click on the Windows or Mac OS buttons to start the download. I'm using Windows, so I'll click that button and then wait for the download. Once the download completes, click on it to start it up, choose Yes to allow it to run, and then click Next through each stage of the installation wizard. Once that's finished, click Finish, and then Yes again to allow the actual CI Tools installer to run. You can then log in using the same details that you logged into myCI with earlier. And then go through and click the Install button for any tools that you want to install, or simply hit the Install All button to install everything. Then just click Accept to accept the license agreement, and the tools will install. And now you can close the CI Tools installer and start up Archicad. Once Archicad starts up, it'll ask you if you want to see the tip of the day every day, so you can choose yes or no at that screen depending on what you want. And then if you installed the Update add-on, it will also allow you to log in again to your myCI account so that the tools can check for updates. Then just start Archicad as normal, either by opening a project or starting a new blank project. And then to complete the setup, go to your Options menu, Work Environment, Apply Profile, and choose the CI Tools profile from the options there. You'll then see the tools added to the toolbox on the left, and you can start using the CI Tools in Archicad.